Okay, now this is the I guess you could call it the whirligig thing on the sign for the car, the nonviolence sign, and I'm going to show you here in a second here how I did the aerodynamic testing on the wind tunnel to develop this design for this sign. You can see how it spins around. There's another shot of it spinning. You can see how it's spinning around right there. Yeah, and here's another shot. Here's another shot of it spinning around right here. Okay, so started out trying to make the spinner blades out of just a straight piece of aluminum. Like we're going to make them, just a piece of like 1/8-inch aluminum, about 8 inches wide and 3 feet long. You can see these right here. These test models, they're 9 inches long, so they're quarter scale. And we're going to bend them up like that. Then we came up with a much better design like that. These little bars right here, like made about of a 3/4 inch conduit. I put some on this one. You can see I put these little wire things on here. You'll see in a minute what it makes it easy to see which way these things are turning. Originally, I started out with some yarn that was pivoted right on the end of those little bars right there, and these were so stiff. You could keep them straight or anything like that, but they're color-coded. So then I went to little pieces of wire like this. You can see these are wire. Now this right on here is some of that reflective bird scare tape. This is a roll that I call it bird scare tape, for scaring the birds off your your fruit trees and stuff like that. You see it comes in, it flashes all different colors in the light, like that. And so and it comes on a roll like that. So I just took some and I put it on these vanes right here. You can see you can bend these vanes so that if you put more curve in them, it'll make them spin faster or slower. These blades are labeled, this F on there stands for the front of the blade facing to the front of the car, and this one's, there's the rear one that's facing to the front. And then it's got another label, a little smaller label on the back, and it says rear, and the other one says front. So you got the front side of the front blade, and then you got the front side of the rear blade, and this arrow indicates the direction it spins, and this indicates that it's the rear blade, but it's the front side of the rear blade. And likewise here, this is the front blade, and that's the front side of the rear blade, and you can see the arrow indicates that it turns in this direction like this. Okay, this is my wind tunnel here for this project. You can see I got some vanes out here. These straighten out the airflow because it goes around in a circle when it comes out of that fan. So these vanes right here make it so the air comes straight out. Okay, now here you can see how the thing works. This is the front of the car right here. To the front of the car, the front blade, you can see it spinning around, and it spins from the front of the car. It spins clockwise, and the other one spins the opposite direction, counterclockwise. And then I got a little orange streamer sticking out the back. Okay, now this is it spinning again from the side. This end right here, this is towards the front of the car right here. The wind is coming from this direction towards the rear. And as you can see, this blade is spinning clockwise, and this one's spinning counterclockwise.